Hey y'all, welcome back for another episode with Chaz's Lifestyle. Today we are making some sausage and shrimp jambalaya pasta. Here are my ingredients. I have shrimp, I have some sliced sausage, I also have an orange bell pepper and a red bell pepper diced, a yellow onion diced, and some cheese. Oil, sazon seasoning, garlic powder, creole seasoning, onion powder, chili powder, parsley, and minced garlic. Last but not least, this penne pasta. Let's get started. So I will be seasoning my shrimp with half of that creole seasoning and then a little bit of black pepper as well. We're going to give that a quick toss. Right after that, we're going to go in with a sprinkle of garlic powder and also a sprinkle of onion powder. Give that another quick toss. Put that to the side. Go ahead and preheat your cast iron on medium-high heat. Add in some oil. When that oil is preheated, drop in those shrimps. We're going to saute our shrimp for about 3 minutes on each side or until fully cooked. Now, after 3 minutes, I went ahead and flipped that over for the additional 3 minutes. Look how juicy that is, baby. Okay. Now, if your shrimp ain't juicy like this, I don't want it. Okay. Now they're ready to be taken out of the pan. I just turn my heat down a little bit so it doesn't burn too much on the bottom, but I will be scraping the bottom off, those little bits off the bottom. But I want to keep all that oil in the pan from the shrimp and the oil that we already had put in before, because that has so much flavor in it, y'all. That will bring so much more flavor to your pasta, trust me. Now I drop in my sausage. I'm going to saute my sausage for about 3 minutes. You don't need to really saute it too much. I just want to get a little texture on it. They're almost done. You can see those flavors are literally releasing. Saute it a little bit, a couple like 30 seconds or whatever, and then after that I will be taking my sausage out of the pan. Keep that same heat though. So now we're gonna go ahead and just take out our sausage. Yeah, like that. Look at you see all that flavor? Drop in those onions. Drop in the bell pepper, and then we're going to drop in the red bell pepper. We're going to saute this up for about 4 to 5 minutes. Y'all know I like everything juicy, okay? Do y'all see how juicy that look? Don't play with me. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my minced garlic. I do prefer fresh garlic, but use what you got, okay? So next we're going to add in the fresh crushed tomatoes. So after that heats up, we're going to add in some heavy cream. Let that come to a slight boil. While we're waiting, we're going to season this bad boy up. Add in some chili powder, that creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, as well as sazon for the color. Give that a quick mix. And like I said, let it come to a slight boil. Now we're going to add in our cheese. Add as much cheese as you need to thicken up your sauce. After that, we're going to add in our pasta. Go ahead and turn your stove off. You want your sauce to thicken up really nice. So as you can see, it's thickening up some, but not as much right now. So we're going to toss that in really well. Then we're going to add in our sausage, and also we're going to add in our shrimp and give that another toss. And the longer your pasta sits and cools, the thicker it will get. So I like mine thicker, so I let it sit for about 5 minutes before we devoured it, okay? So I also added some cheese as I was mixing it, as well as parsley. I covered it, put it in the oven for a little bit. That's just personally my preference. You don't have to, just to make sure it's more cheesy like I like it. And then look, if you decide to make this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram story at Chaz's Cuisines. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.